I hope you're well. Today is Dropmas number 5. I'm super excited because we have here our huge box. I don't know what's inside. Well, I do know, but I don't really actually remember. Vincent made the packages and we chose together, but I don't remember exactly what's inside every package we made. So I'm really excited. Stay until the end because I'm going to explain what is Dropmas, what I'm doing, why I'm doing this and everything. But yeah, let's start with the unboxing of this beautiful baby. Okay, so we have a huge box today. And here we are. I'm gonna just open the box now and yay! So this huge bag is going down here. We have a Louis Vuitton dust bag, as you can see. So I'm super excited about it because this is something that I love. I really hope you are going to enjoy it as much as I do. So we had the dust bag for this amazing bag. And ta-da! I'm so excited. This bag is insane. This bag is just insane. So we had the dust bag. And this bag is called the Double V. This bag is called the Double V from Louis Vuitton. It's just insane. I'm going to explain you why. It's such a beautiful bag. And what I love the most about this bag, you're going to be amazed, it has double rabat. So you have this part that you can switch side and put like this. And ta-da! This is a brand new, different bag that you see. This is why they called it like the Double V. So it's quite unexpected on this bag. This is what I love about this bag. So color of this bag is kind of taupe. This is a grained, very light grain leather. This is a taupe color like taupe beige cream, I would say. This is gorgeous. So I'm gonna explain a little bit about like the condition of this bag. But so we have the button here who has some little scratch. Obviously, this is not a brand new bag. The top handle of the bag is still in good condition. You have some little trace of wear, of course. Here on the side of the bag, you can see some little damage, but very little because of the use of the bag. Okay, other parts of the bag. So the leather is just insane. I love it how it is. Under the bag, you have the 4 little feet that helps to keep the leather parts in good condition. It has some scratches, obviously, because it was worn and used. But otherwise, you have some darker spot here, but nothing that much, like nothing too visible. Actually, it's more like a normal use, I would say. On the other side, also, you have like a spot, you have a sign of wood here, but otherwise very good condition. We have a pocket on this side which has like inside a large stain. This is a large stain. I don't know what it is exactly, but yeah, it was something stained inside. Otherwise, let's open again this part here. So this is what I love about it. Look at this. This is brilliant. And we have the strap for this amazing babe. You can, of course, remove the strap if you want. The strap is detachable and you can change the size of the strap, of course. So you can wear it like crossbody easily if you prefer, or top handle. So this is what I like about this bag. I'm just going to put like the strap here. Otherwise, inside has tons of pockets. This is a very, very clever bag. Everything has button pressure, so you can close it properly if you prefer, or you can close it with a rabat. But you have tons of pockets. You have one pocket here, another one here, another with the zipper here, another one here, and another one here. So this is quite huge, I would say. Inside is quite good condition. You don't have like large stain. You have some little dirt, but otherwise that's it pretty much. The price of the bag is 1,400 euro. I will add on the screen the USD and the UK price. But yeah, otherwise this has a very, very good condition. I'm impressed. I completely love this bag. I fell in love with it. It is such a cool bag. And we had the dust bag. It's a very practical one, as you can see, just here. So if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I do videos on YouTube every Wednesday and every Sunday. I'm a bag lover, as you can guess, and I'm so passionate about luxury handbags that I decided with my partner to create bamluxurystore.com, where we sell pre-loved luxury handbags online. We ship worldwide, everywhere in the world. We are super happy because it's growing so freaking fast. I can't even believe how far we've been. So I decided like not to go for Vlogmas. So Vlogmas are vlogs during Christmas. Usually you do like one vlog per day, but it was a bit too much for what I've planned for my month. So I decided to go for Dropmas. So I will be dropping one luxury item every single day. You will have a normal backdrop day. So I do also backdrop day every Wednesday, releasing new items only on the Wednesday. So I release between 6 and 10 items. But I will be dropping one item per day from 3rd December till 24th of December. Every single day with a YouTube video. You will be with me every single day. I know you like it. And so it will be available, the YouTube video will be available from 6 p.m. Paris time. I will add on the screen also the USA time, UK time and everything. And you will receive an email at 6:15 p.m. So everyone who's not on YouTube will receive the information after you. So if you're watching this video, it's your lucky day. So you are going to receive the video before the email release. Usually, like during backdrop day, it's the other way. You receive the email and then I release the video. But this time I decided to go like to do a different way. So I hope you will enjoy it actually, honestly. And concerning this little baby, so yeah, this bag is from the collection Spring Summer 2017. So I hope you enjoy it because it's such a special bag. It was created in only one size, few colors, so black, ruby, kind of red, rose pink ballerina, and cream like this, kind of taupe cream. This is such a lovely bag. I really advise you to go very quickly if you want to buy it, because it's going to be such a lovely bag. I hope you will enjoy like the Dropmas as much as I do by filming it and by explaining everything. But yeah, this is mostly all for today. I will see you tomorrow for another Dropmas. Bisous, bye.